In many places in Goa, weaving was a prime occupation, followed by the people known as the Mahars. Besides weaving baskets and other utility items from bamboo, they would be called to play at religious occasions. Although not many from the community are involved in this craft today, you will find that the members still continue with the folk performances they were associated with. It is a tradition they feel duty-bound to carry out. The Bhauvado is a ritualistic folk dance which is usually held during the feast of the deity Lai Rai in Shirgaon. The Mahars are proud of their folk heritage. The elders take it upon themselves to introduce and initiate the young into this tradition.
वो इतको भुरगो ल्हान वयान वो वाजोंक शकना आनी वो बडी मारता म्हणून ताका आमी कितें केलो की कळून न्ही ताका कितें चार चौगांक कळून न्ही म्हणून ताका आमी मदीं भुरगे ताका दवरलो की आमच्या वांगडा चार बडी वाजयता तो आतांच धर तर फाल्यां आनकी तो वाजोंक शकता न्हू म्हणून ताका आमी हें केलां.
The dhole is a vital instrument in the whole Bhauvado setup. The size of the dhole, which is made of wood, varies depending on the occasion for which the dhole is played. The skin of a he-goat or bull is usually stretched over the head of the dhole. This is fastened around with the help of ropes. The stick which is used to beat the drum is made from coconut leaf stem. An interesting fact, according to Nonu Parwar, is that the ground used for Bhauvado has to be sprinkled before the dance with cow's urine, which is said to be holy. One musician is positioned in the midst of the dancers, usually the younger of the lot. After beating the drums for a while, the dancers move in a circle in such a way that two artists face each other. They then change the movements by rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise. Each time they change position, the rhythm of the music too changes. Slowly, they circle around the temple. Since a lot of emphasis in the Bhauvado is laid on precision and coordination, a group of Bhauvado artists must necessarily comprise of an even number. In most cases, it is 6 or 8. It may look simple, but it requires a lot of practice and experience in order to perform the Bhauvado, as the movements have to be synchronized to the dhole rhythm. The Bhauvado folk artists take great pride in their status as temple musicians. As the older musicians aver, it is very difficult to match the skills of these young drummers.